Here's a 2017 Chevrolet Impala. Composed, confident, and capable in its design, this Impala always makes an entrance. The athletic and proud stance is impossible to ignore, and the spacious interior leaves room for everything. It comes nicely equipped with features you love: streaming audio, Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, rear parking sensors, remote engine start, leather steering wheel, V6 engine, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and power heated mirrors. In a Chevy, the journey matters more than the destination. You'll never know until you try. Test drive it today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.